Hey everyone, it's Zach here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is such an exciting one because I'm showing you guys how to make double chocolate chip cookies. This is a perfect snack for you guys when you're looking for something chocolatey yet super delicious. If you haven't already, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at ZachBakes_, where you can keep up with my baking journey as well as my life in general. And don't forget to also hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications on and give this video a big thumbs up as it would definitely help me out a lot. But without further ado, let's get baking. To make the double chocolate chip cookies, you will need 120 grams of soft unsalted butter, 120 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of light brown soft sugar, 1 large egg, 250 grams of self-raising flour, 20 grams of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 50 grams of white chocolate chunks and 50 grams of dark chocolate chunks. This recipe couldn't be any easier. We're going to start by putting our butter into our star mix, as well as our caster sugar and our light brown soft sugar. And then we're just going to cream these all together until we have a light pale mix. Now that our butter and sugar is fully creamed together, we're just going to take our bowl off our star mix, a good scrape around the sides just so we make sure everything is well incorporated. Then we're going to grab our egg and just crack this into our bowl. And then we're also going to add in our vanilla extract. And then we're going to pop this back on our star mix and mix it on a medium speed until everything is well incorporated. Now that my egg and vanilla extract is fully incorporated into my butter and sugar mix, I'm just going to take the bowl off the star mix and give it another good scrape around the sides, just so we get everything well incorporated. And now we're going to add in our flour, as well as our cocoa powder and our milk. Now we're going to pop our bowl back onto our stand mixer and mix until our dough has formed. Now that we have our finished biscuit dough, it's time for the best bit. We're going to add in our chocolate chunks. And then we're going to pop this back on our mixer on a low speed until the chocolate chunks are well incorporated. And here you have your finished biscuit chocolate dough, and honestly, it looks so chocolatey, it smells chocolatey, it tastes chocolatey. Yes, I have tried the raw cookie dough. Who doesn't? Now that my biscuit dough is ready to go, I'm gonna divide it into balls, and because I'm a perfectionist, I'm gonna weigh them out to 45 grams. But you know, you can adjust that depending on the size that you want your cookies. You don't even have to weigh them out, it's just because I'm a perfectionist. But yeah, so this recipe will actually make around 16 to 18, so just bear that in mind. Now that I've got my cookies on a tray lined with greaseproof paper, you want to make sure that you flatten them out a little bit on top to help them spread. And also make sure you leave them lots of space because these are going to spread quite a lot. So you want to bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes. I'll leave all of the temperatures here. And when you take them out of the oven, they will not seem done. They'll also be very risen, they seem quite raw, so don't worry about that, just trust me on this one. Take them out after 10 to 12 minutes, and then you want to leave them to cool until they're fully cool, and then they will have soaked back down, they'll be all nice, and this is what makes them super chewy and just delicious. So guys, I've just taken a batch of my cookies out of the oven and they literally smell unreal and they look really good too. They do feel quite raw in the centre, but trust me on this one guys, they will firm up. So now I'm just going to leave these to cool until they're fully cool and then they'll be ready to eat. So guys, my cookies have now firmed up on a cooling rack and I'm so excited to try one. They literally smell and look unreal. Oh my god. These cookies are so good and they're really quick and easy for you guys to do. If you guys are going to make these cookies at home yourself, I'd love to see them. So make sure you tag me on Instagram at zapbakes_ because it makes my day seeing your creations. And if you haven't already, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because we are so close to 1,000 subscribers, which is just insane and a really big milestone for me. So make sure you subscribe, you get your friends to subscribe and all of that stuff because it means so much to me. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye everyone.